Dito po tayo. Kukuha tayo ng dahon ng saging
That's very big. That's huge. Oh my god. Look.
para sa suman.
Oh my god.
Gawa ka ng ano yung may tsokolate sa ilalim. Ano ba yun? Anong tawag nun? Moron. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
It's a big one. Yeah.
It looks like a big cactus.
Yan po, nangunguha kami ng
It
mahangin.
looks like a big.
Nangunguha kami
it
ng
looks like a
dahon
big
ng
wave.
saging.
It looks like a big wave.
Para daw sa
It looks like a big
moron. Moron?
It looks like a big
Meron.
wave.
It is.
This baby.
Oo. You okay?
Can I touch